Yeah, today we are discussing RRB officer prelims quantitative aptitude grand test 53. So we'll move for the questions. Here, this is the first question. It's based on the directions 41 to 45. There is a table. Based on the table, we have to calculate the questions here. So given table shows the total population in the different five cities A, B, C, D, E. Ratio of male to female population and percentage of literature population in these cities. This is belongs to literature population. Literature population, particularly they are mentioned here. So literature, and these are the literate percentage. In A, 25 percentage is literature, means illiterate is 75 percentage. 12,000 2 is to 3. This is a male to female ratio. And coming to the directly question, in city B, 20 percentage of literate population are female. Then find the ratio of number of female to the number of illiterate female in the city. Same city we required. So 20 percentage. For example, we'll take B city is contain 100 members. In 100 members, 20 percentage of the literate population so are female. Here 1 is to 1 means here is the 50 members, here is the 50 members. Here the 1 is to 1 means 50 members, 50 members, and same 100 here 100 wise 30 members literate and 70 members is illiterate. Okay, then in a city 20 percentage of literate population are female. 20 percentage of here 20 percentage of 30 is equal to 6 members. 20 percentage of 30 is equal to 6 members. That is a female members. Remaining how many members? 24 members. This is belongs to male members, male and female here. So and male to the number of illiterate female in that city. Then find the ratio number of literate male. Literate males are how many? 24 is to and number of illiterate female in that city. Number of illiterate females. Illiterate females means how much? Literate females are 6. Then total females are 50. From 50, literate females will be going to removing. We'll get illiterate females. Illiterate females are how many members here? So 44. 24 and 44 both are cancelled with 4. 4 6 and 4 11. Our option is what? A, 6 is to 11. And move for the next one. Here, total number of males in D and E together is what percentage more or less than total number of females in city B and C together? Total number of males we require D and E together. So D 3 is to 4. Here 3 is to 4 means 3 plus 4, 7 parts. 7 parts is equal to 7,000. In this we need here the males. So males is how many members here? So 3,000 plus E together. E together here the 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 parts. 3 parts is equal to 4,500. 1 part is equal to 1,500. 4,500. Then total number of females in city B and C together. B and C together we need females. Here is 4,000 and here is 2,000. 4,000 plus 2,000 how much? 6,000. 4,500 is less than the 6,000 is how much less? 1,500 less comparing to 6,000. We need percentage multiply with 100. So 1 by 4 is equal to how much percentage? 25 percentage. Our option is what? E. And move for the next question. Here A 12,000 2 is to 3. If 25 percentage of illiterates in city A died due to alcohol consumption, so illiterate value is required. So 12,000. In this 12,000, 25 percentage is belongs to here literate means illiterate is how much members? Here the 12,000 half value 6,000, 6,000 half value 3,000. 3,000 is removing, which is equal to 9,000. These illiterate members. In this 25 percentage illiterate died. 25 percentage. In this 25 percentage 2,250. 2,250. So 2,250 will be died. Then in which half were females. Half were females. The number of illiterate males who died due to alcohol consumption city A is what percentage of number of males in city B? So here 2250, then 1225 and 1225. This is the males and females. Half of the value is females, half of the value is males. The number of illiterate males who died due to alcohol consumption in CTA is 1225 is what percentage of number of females in CTB? Number of females in CTB is, so 1 is to 1 means 4,000. Here 4,000 into 100. So cancel the values here. So here 0000 cancel. 5 8 ja and 5 2s are and 5 4s are and 5 5s are. So 245 by 8. 245 by 8 means denominator is 8 is contained of only one option. The option is how much percentage? 28 1 by 8 percentage. Question number 44. Find the ratio of total number of literate population. Particularly they are asking literate population A and E together. Literate population they are asking A and E together to the total number of illiterate population in city B and D together. We need A and E, A and E. So literate 20 percentage of 4,500, 900 plus here 25 percentage of 12,000 which is equal to 3,000. This is a ratio to clearly we need illiterate population in city B and D. City B and D here 30 percentage literate means 70 percentage illiterate which is equal to 5,600. So I next here D 50 percentage 3,500 and cancel the values here 00 00 00 00 cancel and 30 plus 9 39 is to 56 plus 35 which is equal to 91. 39 and 91 both are cancelled with 13 table which is so 13 3s are and 13 7s are. Our ratio is 3 is to 7. Our option is D here. And move for the next question. Question number 45. If in CTC 45 percentage illiterate population is belongs to females, CTC is 40 percentage is belongs to literate means 60 percentage illiterate which is equal to 60 percentage of 5,000 is here the 3,000. Out of this 45 percentage belongs to so 1350 remaining is 1650. This is males and this is belongs to females. And C is how much more or less than the number of females in CTD. CTD is females is how many members? 4,000. 4 parts is equal to 4,000. 4,000 to 1650 how much difference? It is equal to 2350. Our option is what? C. Difference between these two values 2350 option is C. And move for the next question. We have a directions based on the quadratic equation x square plus 18x plus 77 is equal to 0. 77 we can write minus 11 comma minus 8. This is the x equation. Minus 7 here. Next y equation we can write minus 6 comma minus 7. Plus plus is always giving the negative values and comparing here the what was the value is bigger minus 6 and minus 7 here is equal and here is bigger. And what was the relation we can assign? X less than or equal to y. Our option is D. Next 3x square minus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Here the 3 4s are 12 minus 12 you can separate into 3 comma 4. Here 4 and 3 minus 4 plus 3 but final factors are here 4 comma minus 3 and divide with 3. So final factors are here 4 by 3 comma minus 1. As it is 3 13s are. 3 13s are we should apply which is equal to 39. We can write 13 comma 3. 13 plus 3 is equal to 16 and divide with here 3 and final factors are here minus 1 comma minus 13 by 3. Now we have to compare it here. So 4 by 3 comma minus 1 here the 4 by 3 is bigger and minus 1 to minus 13 by 3 it is a minus 1 is a bigger and here to here equal and here to here it is a greater equal. This we can write greater than or equal to. Our option is what? D. Next x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Here we can write minus 6. Minus 6 factors are 3 comma 2. 3 2 just 6. 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. We need minus 1 and final factors are 3 comma minus 2 and y square is equal to 4. Then y is equal to we can write minus 2 comma plus 2 and comparing the values here. So 3 2 minus 2 3 is bigger and 3 2 plus 2 3 is a bigger minus 2 2 plus 2 is bigger 1 less than 1 greater than means our relation is what? Cannot be established. And next x cube is equal to 2744. X is equal to minus 14 and 2y square is equal to minus 392. Here y square is equal to here 2 will be dividing which is equal to 196. This is we are writing here the minus 14 comma plus 14. And what was the relation we can write here? So minus 14 to minus 14 equal minus 14 to plus 14 is bigger then x less than or equal to y. Our option is what? D. Next x square minus 11x plus 20 is equal to 0. Here the factors are 6 comma 5 and next equation factors are 4 comma 5. Here the 5 equal 5 to 4, 5 is a bigger and 6 is a totally bigger comparing to 4 comma 5. Then x greater than or equal to y. Our option is what? B. Next we have a question number in the series 197 and 184. Here 158 and 119 question mark and 2. Take the differences here. So 197 became a 194. How much difference here? Minus 13. And 184 became a 158. How much difference it is? It is a 2 and it is a minus 26. And here the next difference is 158 became a 119. Here the difference is 39. So next 13 1 ja, 13 2 ja, 13 3 ja. Next difference should be here the 13 4 ja. 13 4 ja value is minus 52. And 119 minus 52, 100 minus 50, 50, and 19 minus 2 is equal to 17, which is equal to 67. Our option is what? A. Next question is question mark and 132, 110, 90, 72, 56. Here we can take a differences here also. Here 90 became a 72 means how much decrease? 18 decrease. 72 became a 56 means how much decrease? 16 decrease. Here the 20 decrease and here the decrement is minus 22 decrement. And here the decrement should be minus 24. That means 132 plus 24 which is equal to our answer 132 plus 24 which is equal to 156. Our option is 156. Next question number 53. 7 to 19 difference is 12. 19 to 33 difference is here the 14 and 33 to 51 difference is what? 18 and here the difference is 20 and what is the difference? Here we can take here the 2 difference, here the 4 difference, here the 2 difference and here is also 4 difference again. It is 24. 71 plus 24 answer is what? 95. Next 4096 and 256 and 16 and 1 and 0.0625. Here is 1 became a 16 means it is a multiply by 16 and here is also multiple by 16 and here multiple by 16 and here is also multiple by 16. Here is also multiple by 16. 16 6 6 are 36, largely it should be 6, then option is only available is E, that is our answer. Next question number 55. 130 became a 221. Here the difference is 91 and here the difference is 127 and here the difference is 169. So and here the difference is what? And when you are going to the question, here the difference we can write. Here the difference is become a 36 and here the difference become a 42 and next we can write 48. Here the difference is 6 and 6 every time constantly increasing. 169 plus 48. Here the 160 plus 40 200 which is added 217 and 517 plus 217 7 plus 7 our answer is 4. Our option is what? 734. Next we have a simplification. 2300 percentage of 50 minus root of 1024 we can write here 32 plus 3 into 11. This is our question. So finding an answer 50 percentage of 2300, so 1150 minus 3 into 11, 3 into 11 33, 33 minus 32 which is a 1. So 1150 plus 1 which is equal to 1151. Option is D. And move for the next one. Question mark plus 55 by 10.94 we can write 11. 55 by 11 which is equal to 5. 23 square is equal to 529 which is equal to 0. Minus 529 plus 5 means 524. Our option is A. Next, third root of 2743 which is equal to 2744, that's we can write 14 minus 14 percentage of 1400 which is equal to 1.98 percentage we can write 2 percentage of 200 minus x. This is our question. So 14 14s are 196 and 14 minus 2 2s are 4 minus x. Here the 4 cancel, here the 10. From 10 is removing from the 196. Our answer is 186. Our option is B. Next 5335 which is divided by 11 minus 216 into 5 plus root of 121 we can write 11 plus x which is equal to 0. Cancel with 11 here. So 11 how many times? 11 4s are 44, remaining is 93. 11 8s are 88. and remaining is 5, 11 5s are 485, and 216 into 5, 5 20s are 5 200s are 1000, 16 5s are 80, which is equal to 1080. So 1080, from 1080 485 will be removed. Extra we have to remove 11 also to getting a final answer of x. So from 1080 480 remove it. First of all, you will get what is the value 600. From 600 5 plus 11, from 600 5 plus 11 16 will be removed. We will get a final answer. What is our answer? 584. X is equal to 584. Our option is C. Next, 26 square. 26 square value is 676. 22 square value is 484 plus 1320 percentage of 75. This is we can write in 676 minus 484 here. 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. 67 minus 48. 67 minus 48, when you are adding 12, it is equal to 192. So here 75 percentage of 1320. 75 percentage is equal to, we can write what is the value? 3 by 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12, and here the 0. 0 means we can write 0 here. Then 3 990. Then 990. Then 990 added to 192. Then 990 added to 192. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 2 18. 9 plus 1 10. It is equal to 11. Overall answer is 1182. Our option is A. Next, we have a directions 61 to 63. We'll read the data and we have to follow the question. So the following passage shows the information about number of candidates selected from the different states for the probationer officers. Number of male candidates selected from Karnataka. First of all, we have a Karnataka state, and female candidates selected from the Bihar. We have a Bihar state also. And next, ratio of number of male to female candidates selected from Karnataka is 14:9. 14:9. And average number of candidates selected from the Telangana is Telangana 420. Average means it is becoming 840, because average means 420 double is 840, and which is 40% more than the number of candidates selected from the Maharashtra. Maharashtra, it is 420. 420, which is equal to 140%. We need 100%. That is equal to 300. And next they are given here Maharashtra, which is 100 less than that of Bihar. Comparing to Bihar, how many members? It is a 400. And number of males and females candidates selected from UP is same. UP value is same. It is 240 plus 240. 240 plus 240. Total value is equal to UP value is 480. And Bihar male value. Number of males for the Bihar, how many members? 240. Males is 240 means females is how many members? 160. Okay, this is females and this is males. This is females and this is male. And we have a first condition, number of male candidates. Number of male candidates selected from Karnataka is 7 by 4th of female candidates selected from the Bihar. So Bihar, which is equal to 4 parts. So 4 parts is equal to 160. 4 parts is equal to 160 means, so this 4 parts, 7 by 4, they are given 4 parts. 4 parts is equal to 160. 1 part is equal to 40. 4 7 are 280. This 280 is belongs to 14 parts. 280 is 14 parts means 9 parts is equal to 180. Now we have a total allocation value 280 plus 180, which is equal to 460. So now we have a total values as per the given data till now. Then based on this we have to solve the questions. So here first question is, if number of male candidates in Telangana must be, so as number of female candidates in Karnataka, number of female candidates in Karnataka is what? 180. 180 is removing from here. So then find the female candidate selected from the Telangana. From 840, 140 is removing, will get 600. Extra 40 will be removing, will get 660. Then our answer is what? D option is our answer for it is. So move for the next question for the same data. So here, what can be possible ratio of number of male to female candidates selected from Maharashtra? So Maharashtra male candidate to female candidate, what is the possibility ratio? They are not mentioned what is the number of male female value particularly. 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5 parts. 5 parts clearly dividing to 300. So 3 plus 7, this is 10 parts. 10 parts is clearly dividing 300. That means how many possibilities are there? AC is possibility. Our option is what? both A and C. 4 is to 5 is equal to 9 parts. 9 is not dividing to 300. That means, so B is not possible. Only AC is a possibility. Then our D option is the final answer for this question. And move for the next question. Here 63. Find the average. Find the average of find the average of selected from the all the states together. Find the average from the selected all the states together. All the states value is required here. So look at here the 460 plus 840. 460 plus 840. 60 can be added to here 900. It is the overall value 1300. 1300 plus 300 1600. 1600 it is a 2000. 2000 plus 400. 2480 divided by what is the value 5. So 5 4s are 20, 5 9s are 45, remaining is 30, 5 6 are. Then average of this all the people value is 496. Our option is what? B option. Next, we have another data to solving a question. So 64 to 68, and the directions are read the following information given below and answer the following questions. The pie chart. This the data is belongs to pie chart based. So given below shows the percentage distribution of number of students in class of 2018 and 2020 PGDM batch in IIT Delhi coming from different cities. Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore. Here the Delhi, here the Mumbai, here the Bangalore. Total number of students in batch is 1600. Total number of students is how many members? 1600. So we have a here the extra data is also there. The Delhi here and Mumbai and Bangalore, three cities they are mentioned. In particular cities wise they are mentioned engineers and non-engineers also. Clearly they are mentioned engineers and non-engineers. Delhi engineers is 5:3. Mumbai and Bangalore they are given a ratio also. Based on this we have to calculate. Directly we'll go for the questions here. So look at the question. Find the ratio of engineers from Delhi. Find the ratio of engineers from Delhi. Find the ratio of engineers from Delhi and non-engineers from Mumbai respectively. So ratio of engineers from Delhi. Engineers is 40% is there. For example, 40% will take 40 members and Mumbai is 45 members. Directly I will take as per the pie chart. So 40 members and 45 members. Find the ratio of engineers. Engineers from Delhi means 5 by 8 is 2 and Mumbai non-engineers. Non-engineers how much? 7 by 9 and cancel the values. 9 5s are here the 5 cancel, 8 5s are. Then final ratio is what? 5:7. 5:7 means our option is what? C here. No need to go for the 1600 here. Move for the next question. Here the question is find the difference between here the total engineers and non-engineer students in class of 2018-2020 PGM batch from IIT Delhi. So IIT Delhi all the values we required. So how to calculate? Then here the Bangalore wise 15 percentage and 40 percentage and 45 percentage for the all the cities. Find the difference between total engineers to non-engineers. We required engineers to non-engineers. Look at 5 by 8. This is Delhi engineers. So Delhi engineers 40 percentage, 5 by 8 of 40 percentage. And next here next non-engineers. Non-engineers is how much? 3. This is we can write 2 by 8 also. Finally we can write 5 to 3. 5 to 3 how many parts gap? 2 parts. 2 by 8 of 40 percentage. 2 by 8 of 40 percentage. And next 2 to 7 how many parts gap? 5 parts gap. Here the minus 5 by 9 parts of 45 percentage. I am taking a directly gap. And next we are taking 4 to 1 how many parts gap? 3. 3 by 5 of 15 percentage. 3 by 5 of 15 percentage. And which are cancel the values. 8 5s are and 9 5s are and 5 3s are. 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25, 2 5s are 10. This value is 10, this value is 25 and this value is 9. 9 plus 10, 19. 19 is removing from the minus 25 which is equal to how much percentage difference? Overall 6 percentage difference. But we not require the percentage, we need the population. Total population of this city we already know 1600. Then 6 percentage of 1600, 16 6 are 96. Total value of the difference is how much people? 96. Our option is B here. Next, question number 66 for the same pie chart data. What is the question? Find the average of engineers of Bangalore to Mumbai for the what is the value is required? Engineers value is required. Bangalore's engineers value. Engineers is how many parts? 4 parts. 4 plus 1 is 5 parts. 5 parts is equal 15 percentage, 1 part is equal 3 percentage, 4 parts is equal to how much percentage? 12 percentage. Okay, so 12 percentage and 3 percentage, overall 15 percentage. And we required Mumbai also. Mumbai engineers means is how many parts? 2 parts. 2 plus 7, 9 parts. 9 parts is equal to 45 percentage, means 1 part is equal to 5 percentage, and 5 twos are 10. It is a 10 percentage. Average means by 2. Then 12 percentage plus 10 percentage, which is equal to 22 percentage. 22 percentage by 2 is equal to 11. And together is how much percentage of non-engineers of Delhi? Non-engineers of Delhi means 3 parts. 3 parts is equal to how much? 5 plus 3, 8. 8 parts is equal to 40 percentage, means 1 part is equal to 5 percentage. 5 threes are 15 percentage. 15 percentage into 100. Try to cancel the numbers. 5 threes are 5 20s are, and 12 plus 10, which is equal to 11. 11 into 20 is equal to 220 by 3. 220 by 3 means 3 how many times? 3 sevens are 21. Remaining is 10. 10 by 3 we can write 73 1 by 3 percentage. 73 1 by 3 percentage, that is equal to 73.333 percentage. Our option is what? A, first option. Question number 67. Difference between the engineer students from Mumbai. Engineer students from the Mumbai is 10, and non-engineer students from Bangalore. Non-engineer students from Bangalore means 5 parts is equal to, it is a 3. 3. 10 to 3 gap is what? 7. Is how much percentage more or less than the non-engineer students from Mumbai? Non-engineer students from Mumbai is 7 parts, 35. So here 7 is less than 35. How much less? 28 less. 28 by 35 into 100. And cancel the values here. 5 sevens are, and 5 20s are, and 7 4s are, 4 20s are is equal to how much percentage? 80 percentage. Our option is 80 percentage less. So option is D. Next, find the value of central angle corresponding to the number of students Mumbai, Bangalore together. Mumbai, Bangalore together means 45 and 15 percentage, overall 60 percentage. 60 percentage of 360. So 6 6 are 36. Then 6 6 are 36 and 6 3 are 180. 180 plus 36 is equal to 216. Then how many degrees? 216 degrees. Option is D. Next, we have a question. A box contains balls with numbers written 1 to 100 to them. Find the probability of picking a ball that contains a number which is 2-digit number and a multiple of 3 but not 15. A box contains balls. So how many balls are there? 100 balls are there. Find the probability of picking a 100 balls are there. From 100 balls, a number which is 2-digit number. A number 2-digit number and a multiple of 3. A 2-digit number from multiple of 3 means what is the number is possibility? First number is 12, next number is 15, up to last number is 99. First of all, I want to calculate how many 3 digits numbers there which is divisible by 3, all are 2 double digit. Here we have a 99. We are applying Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d formula to getting a, what is the number of values are there? 99 is 12 plus n minus 1, common difference is 3 multiples means 3. So cancel the values. 3 ones are, 3 fours are, and 3 30s are. So here 4 minus 1 value is 3. Overall here the 30. 30 words are there. 30 numbers are there. 1 to 100. 10 to 100. 30 numbers are there which are divisible by 3. In this particularly we required but not by 15. But not by 15 means started with 15 and next number is 30 and it is going to up to what is the number? 90. Here is also same formula you can apply. A plus n minus 1 into d. 15 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 15. 15 cancel, 15 cancel, 15 6 are. 6 minus 1 is equal here overall n. So n is equal to how many letters? 6 letters. So 6 letters are there. 6 letters are belongs to 15 and 30 letters are belongs to here the 3. From 36 will be removing, remaining is how many letters? 24. 24 by 100 which is cancelled with 4. 4 6 are, 4 25 are. Our option is 6 by 25. Option is what? D. Next, a sum invested 6% annum for simple interest for 6 years yields interest of rupees 648. 6 6 are 36%. 36% value which is equal to 648. And same sum invested compound interest 10% per annum compounded annual, it is equal to 21%. Okay, cancel the values here. 3 7s are and 3 12s are. Try to cancel with 12. 12 5s are and 12 4s are. So 648. 54 into 7. 54 into 7. 57s are 350. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 350, 378. Our option is what? A. Question number 71. ABC entered into a partnership. So A, B, C, and first person is entered with 1650. So second person is entered with 1150, and third person is entered with 950. And up to 6 months, they are not changes their investment. After the 6 months, A withdraw 150 means his investment become a 1500 next to 2 months. And he is 1150, his investment is 250 more means 1400 next to 2 months. And here this is a A value and B value and C value. C is up to 8 months is not changes, and cancel the values which are going to cancel. Here the 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, and 0 cancel. Again cancel with 5. 5 19s are, and 5 23s are, and 5 2s are, 5 8s are, and next 5 30s are, and next 5 3s are, and 5 3s are. Again cancel with 2. Here 2 cancel, 2 3s are, and 2 3s are, and 2 cancel, and 2 4s are. And total value 33 3s are is equal to 99. 99 plus 30 is equal to 129, and 23 3s are is equal to here 69. 69 plus 28 is equal to here 97, and next 19 4s are, which is equal to 76. So here total value is what? Here 100. 100, just 1 3 will be added here. 100 plus 100, 200. So 226, 226 is added to 76, which is equal to 302 part. In this 302 part we need 76 parts. 76 by 302 into, so 9060. It is a clearly matchable. 302 906, how many times? 3 times. And 76 into 3, 3 6 are 18, 7 3 is a 21, it is a 2280. The C profit value is 2280. Our option is what here? None of this. Next, a trader marks his goods by 80 percentage, and it is giving percentage increased. If a discount percentage increased from 30 percentage to 40 percentage, then profit is decreased by 162 rupees. Find the profit earned when discount is given by 33.33 percentage. So discount is increased from 30 percentage to 40 percentage means how much percentage increase? 10% is increased. That's why he is getting a less rupees of profit. 162 rupees profit is getting less. Then 100 percentage is equal to 1620. This is value is equal to after the marking value. Marking value is equal to 180 percentage, which is equal to how much percentage? 180 percentage. We need 100 percentage. What is a 100 percentage? Try to cancel with, so 18 ones are, 18 nines are, that means 100 percentage is equal to how much rupees here? So 900. This is a MP, and this is belongs to CP. Then CP value is 900, marking value is 1620, and here cost price value is 900. What is the question they are giving? Find the profit earned when discount is given 33.1 percentage. 33.33 percentage is equal to 1 by 3 giving discount. 1 by 3 giving discount means you are solding for the 2 by 3. Then 2 by 3 of 1620. So cancel the numbers here. 3 5s are, 3 4s are, and 0. So 540 into 2 is equal to 1080. Then new selling price is 1080. Cost price is 900. 900 became 1080 means how much rupees extra profit? 180 rupees is the profit. Our option is what? E. Next, question number 73. Ratio of Vani and Varun after the 8 years. So Vani 8 years and Varun 8 years, which is equal to 10 by 9. And next equation they are given. Varun after the 17 years is 25 percentage more means we can write 5 by 4, and Vani after the 4 years. So we have to estimate the value. Varun age is divisible by, in this case, 9. In this Varun age is divisible by what is the number? 5. Then 9 5s are 45. That means the number is completely divisible by here 5. Here that's why I am substituting here 28. 28 plus 17 is 45. 45 is divisible by 5. Here is also same value I am substituting 28. 28 plus 8 is equal to 36. 36 is completely divisible by 9. So here just assume it is the Varun value is 28. Then substitute 9. 4s are 36 will be cancelled. 4 10s are 40. From 48 will be removing. Then Vani value is what? 32. Okay. Vani value 32 and Varun value 28. They satisfying the equation whatever the assumption values are there. 32 plus 28 60. In 60 we need how much percentage? 90 percentage. In 60 value 90 percentage is equal to 9 6 are 54. Our option is what? B. Father's age of these two persons. Next, 46 percentage of ethanol solution is mixed with 68 percentage of solution. Ratio of 4 is to K new ethanol solution is 60 percentage. 46 percentage and 68 percentage and 60 percentage and take a differences. 46 percentage to 60 percentage difference is 14 and 60 to 68 difference is 8. And here the ratio is 4 is to 7. Here the ratio is 4 is to K. K is equal to how many parts? 7 parts. And next, now this newly made ethanol is how much percentage? 60 percentage is mixed with 60 percentage again mixed with 48 percentage ethanol. We are getting a 56 percentage. So again we'll getting a ratio 60 to 56 difference is 4 parts and 48 to 56 difference is so 8 parts. Here the ratio is what is the ratio here? So 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. Here the ratio is x is to 1. That means x is equal to how many parts? 2 parts. K is equal to 7 parts. Finally, they need what is the ratio? X is to K. X is to K is equal to 2 is to 7. 2 is to 7 is not available. We have a 7 is to 2. That means our option is what? None of this. Next, train A crosses electric pole in 25 seconds running 20 meter per second. So 25 20s are which is equal to 500 meters train length. Find the time taken by train B to cross bridge of length 300 meters. If speed of train B is 25% is more than A and length of 20% is less than train A. So train B is 25% is more than A. So 25 more than 25% is more. 25% is more means so which is equal to 5 by 4. 4 parts is equal to 20 means 5. It is equal to 25 meter per second. Train B is how many meter per second? 25 meter per second. And B is crossing a bridge. How many meters? 300 meters bridge. And next, length is 20% is less than train A. 20% is 10% is 50. 20% is means 100. 100 is removing from the 500 which is equal to 400. And 400 plus 300 which is equal to 700. 700 is dividing by 25. So here 25 how many times? 2s are 25 2s are value is 50 remaining is 2 it is a 28 then overall is a how many seconds? 28 seconds. Then option is C. Next, the average marks obtained by Ashish in physics, chemistry, maths, English, and economics is 86 marks. Compulsory, it should be maintained by 86. Marks obtained by chemistry is 79. Chemistry is how many? 79. And average marks obtained in maths and physics is 84. So, maths and physics is 84. 84 and 84. So, and marks obtained in economics is 13 more than the chemistry. 13 more than the chemistry means here then 13 more than the chemistry. 13 is added to 79. 10 added 89, it is become a 92. It is what? 92. Then find the marks obtained in English. We need English value. Particularly we need English value. Compulsory average should be what here? So average should be compulsory 86. Okay. We need 86. That means English should be also contain 86. Compulsory it is contain 86. But here is a 86 but is 84 is there. That means it is a plus 2. And here the 79 is there. That means 86 become a 79 means how much less here? So 7 it is a plus 7 and 86 become a 84 means it is also plus 2 and 86 become a 92 means how much extra? 6 extra here is minus 6 and add it here 7 minus 6 it is a plus 1 1 plus 2 plus 2 it is a overall value is 91. That means English marks is how many marks? 91. Our option is none of this. We have a next question. Next question is ABC can complete a piece of work in 10, 12 and 15 days respectively. A left the work 5 days before the work was completed and B left 2 days after A had left. Number of days required to complete the whole work was. So we have to complete the total work is how many days? ABC can complete a piece of work in how many days? 10, 12, 15. So here we'll take a LCM. LCM value is what? 16. And here is 6 and here is 5, here is 4. These are the efficiencies. A left work 5 days before completion of work. So that means up to last 5 days who is working? Last 5 days A left from is the last 5 days work done by 1. C and A, B. C and B means 5 plus 4 it is a 9. 9 into how many days? So 2 days after B left, 2 days after A left. Okay, that means 5 days before A left. అంటే 5 days ఇంకో 5 days లో పని అవుతుందనగా ఎవరు వెళ్ళిపోయారు? సో ఏ వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. ఇంకో 5 డేస్లో పని అవుతుంది అనగా ఏ వెళ్ళిపోయాడు అంటే ఆ 5 డేస్ వర్క్ ఎవరు చేయాలి, బి అండ్ సి చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో అండ్ బి కూడా ఏ వెళ్ళిపోయిన తర్వాత 2 డేస్ వరకు వెళ్ళిపోయారు. అంటే బి అనేవాడు ఏ వెళ్ళిపోయిన తర్వాత ఎన్ని డేస్ ఉన్నాడు, 2 డేస్ ఉన్నాడు. 2 డేస్ ఎవరెవరు ఉన్నారు, బి అండ్ సి. సో 5 + 4 9, 9 2 ఎన్ని యూనిట్స్ వర్క్ అయిపోయాయి, 18 యూనిట్స్ వర్క్ అయిపోయాయి. హౌ మెనీ యూనిట్స్ వర్క్ ఈస్ కంప్లీటెడ్, ఎస్ 18 యూనిట్స్ వర్క్ కంప్లీటెడ్ ఇన్ 5 days, ఫస్ట్ 2 days. Last 3 days who is available, then only the C person is available, then C can complete. So 4 4 3 are 12. In last 5 days లో B and C completed 18 units, C only completed 12 units. Total ఎన్ని యూనిట్స్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయాయి, 30 యూనిట్స్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయాయి. 60లో 30 యూనిట్స్ కంప్లీట్ అయితే రిమైనింగ్ ఎన్ని యూనిట్స్ ఉంటాయి, 30. ఆ 30 ఎవరు చేయాలి, సో the 30 units is completed by already the started persons 3 members already started by 3. So the whole work, then 6 + 5 + 4 is equal to here, so 15 units. How many days, it is 2 days. 2 days 2 days 3 days, overall is how many days are required, 7 days required to complete a total session of work. Okay, option D. Next, a tank is normally filled in 8 hours but takes 2 hours longer. 2 hours longer means it is equal to how many hours, 10 hours to fill because of leak in bottom. If the cistern is full, how many hours will leak the empty. Okay, so single pipe can filling a tank in 8 hours, only 2 pipes are there with leakage, it's take 10 hours. Then 10 into 8 by difference, 8 comma 10 difference is what, 2. 10 8 ja 80 by 2, which is equal to how many hours, 40 hours. Our option is what, C. Next, a man can row 6 km/h still hours. If takes twice as long, long means nothing but it is a time. So row up and row down, it is a 2:1. This is what time, and speeds ratio is become what, 1:2. This is a up and down. Here we need boat speed is to current speed. Boat speed is formula is 3/2 and 1/2. It is a 3/2 and 1/2 which is cancelled, 3:1. 3 parts is equal to 6 km/h and 1 part is equal to how many km/h, 2 km/h. Our option is what, B here. Next, the sum of the radius and height of a cylinder is 18 meters. So here height and radius value 18. The total surface area of cylinder is 792. Total surface area formula, so 2 pi r into h plus r, this is equal to 792. But h plus r value we know, 2 into 22 by 7 into r 18, which is equal to 792. And cancel the values here. So 11 2s are 11 7s are 11 2s are, and 18 4s are, and 4 cancel. Then radius value is becoming how much, 7. Radius value is become 7. Then h plus r is equal to 18 means radius value is 7, then height value is how much, 11. 11 plus 7 is equal to 18. What is the volume of the cylinder? Volume formula is what, pi r square h, 22 by 7 into r. R value is 7 square, 7 into 7 h, 11. And here 7 7 cancel. Then here 7 into 2, here 7 into 22, 154. 154 is multiplied to 11. Here is 4 and 9 and here 6 and 1. Overall what is answer, 1694. Our option is E.